Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Reese.
I'm Irina.
Well, Irina, have you ever noticed that there are a group of people who pant easily when moving and easily get tired?
Yeah.
Well, if you are part of this kind of people, just check out today's video and see what we can do to improve this condition.
Let's go.
Actually, these symptoms indicate the deficiency of lung qi, and people with such symptoms can press 太渊 from time to time. 太渊 is in the crease of the wrist, just lateral to the radial artery. 太渊 is the source and stream point for lung channel, and it's also the gathering point for arteries and veins, which works really well in tonifying lung qi and lung yin. Generally speaking, people with such symptoms are supposed to exercise more. It would be better to start from low-impact exercise, then gradually increase the intensity of workout. Plus, better effect with Chinese medicinals. Alright, so much for this.
If you like it, please give a thumb up.
Remember to subscribe our channel if you are new.
We will see you very soon in next video.
Goodbye.
Bye.